Hi everyone, welcome to Bay's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken skewers. Add jerk barbecue sauce and chili powder. You can also use any sauce you like. Slightly spray with oil to seal in the moisture. And marinate for 20 minutes. Don't discard the remaining marinade. Preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. Cook the skewer for 8 minutes. Flip them over and brush with the remaining marinade. Then cook for another 6 minutes.